BREEAM has a health and wellbeing section, and one of the credits under the health and wellbeing section is glare control. We model buildings in 3D and run a full 360-day analysis of the sun's path around the building over the year to show what glare might occur in the occupied rooms and spaces within the building. We can then advise a client where glare control measures might be required on the building and potentially save them money from fitting them on parts of the building that don't require it. Another part of the health and wellbeing section is the VOC content of materials. Under BREEAM, the materials that are specified in the building, if you're targeting the credits under the VOC section, they have to meet stringent testing levels for VOC content within those materials. We offer post-construction VOC testing, which means we come to site with our VOC testing equipment, measure the levels of the VOC in the building once it's constructed, and then provide a report to report the levels of VOCs found. Avoid complications further down the line and contact our specialist team today.